Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode. This morning I'm actually going to install this mod before I go to work. So yeah, I don't have a lot of time. I have about 1 hour to install this. But yeah, basically we're getting rid of this thing today. Now it's just an inconvenience for me sometimes to work on my car because it's just in the way all the time. So yeah, today we're going to replace it with things that can make the bonnet go up by itself. And yes, you guessed it, we're going to be putting in gas struts, which is going to be awesome, and the bonnet will be open by itself and be held in place without any of these things over there. Because yeah, it's a bit annoying. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so this is what the package looks like. It comes with your brackets, and then as you can see, it's nicely wrapped up in there. And that's what it looks like there. So yeah, not too shabby. All up, it's about 75 bucks, and I'll leave the link in the description. But yeah, so far it looks good. So yeah, let's get right into the installing. Okay, great. So basically this is a very simple step. What you need to do is unbolt this bolt over here. All you need is an Allen key for a socket set, with a number 10. So yeah, don't lose your number 10, guys. And then just unbolt that one. And then we're going to use this tool, in case you're wondering, to slide it down there to keep it in place over here so it can be bolted straight onto there and there. Well, there you have it, guys, job done. So yeah, it takes about 10 minutes to install, super easy, and just look at that. How good is this? All this space to work with without anything being in your way. So yeah, moment of truth, let's see if it closes. Yep, just fine. Oh yeah, that's so much better. There you go, guys, just have a look at that. It looks awesome. So yeah, I'm very stoked with it. It's a cheap investment and it's gonna save you a lot of frustration working in the engine bay. So yeah, guys, and for a 10-minute install, you can't really go wrong, eh? So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Make sure to like and subscribe for more things like this, where you can save a stack of money for cheap mods. And yeah, just have a good one, guys. See you later, bye.